When a deal is stuck waiting for feedback, you've got to speed up the process, just like Sonic racing to the finish line. Imagine this. You've sent your proposal, but your prospect has gone radio silent. You're waiting for feedback, but the deal just sits there, not moving. Sonic would never sit idle, and neither should you. With Apollo.io, you can track deal progress and assess where the bottlenecks are. Use Gong and Zoom Info Chorus to analyze sales calls and identify when deals are slowing down. Then leverage moksy.ai to create custom landing pages that push your prospects to engage and give you the feedback you need to move forward. Calendly and Chili Piper can automate meeting scheduling, making sure you're not waiting around for feedback. Zapier will ensure your follow-ups and reminders go out automatically without delay. Subscribe to get more tips.